Say to them. Stomp your feet. Like being out in the cold.
No, but I probably needed to get out of bed.
Yeah.
Are you about to look up on some lesbians? Pink House! This shit looks chill. I actually really like the way it's. Oh, it's not a lesbian couple, I think that's a dude. Why do they have glass in that? That's not practical. Their tree has leaves on it. That tree looks nice. It's not even like a tree though, it looks tropical. That's sick. Oh, there's no tree right there. Took it down. I'm trying to narrate our log tree. That's a good tree. If it had leaves on it, that was a good tree. Big ass tree. Stop it!
Where?
They were behind the tree. A lot of tree talk today, huh?
Shut up. A lot of tree talk from just you.
I really like windows like that. That old house we had one like that was in the back of our house. And it had like a cushion that you could sit on. That was before the flood though, you didn't see that. It was nice though. Whenever I was in Nana's house, I'd sit on it all the time. And you could open it and there were games inside of it. And then we'd play games on our dining room table. Whenever I was in Nana's. Lights. See, that's what I'm talking about. This would be definitely not about this would be like a base. This would be a fire base too. You got all this too. You got the trenches down there. That's a fucking cool ass tree. Hey, Jim. He's yelling at me. Big ass tree. And it has leaves on it.
Oh, I heard Bunny.
Bunny?
Oh, the bird.
Fuck, yes, oh, it's a bird. Oh, he's hopping around. You better do your trees, guys.
You like this tree?
Oh, that's sad.
I think it's actually to help the trees grow.
No, it's cutting its limbs off.
It's more like cutting its arm
Shut
hair
the
off.
fuck up,
It literally
no.
cut off its hair. That's it.
Oh, so it's a bald tree, huh?
Shut up.
Seems weird, guys. Freaks. Fucking naked ass trees. Brrr.
You want to go to the electrical box I hung out at?
It's over there by the...
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I've seen it.
Yeah, let's go to it. I'm putting my hand in my butt.
Oh. Y'all see that? He got his hand in his butt.
You've never been on camera before, have you?
Fucking cutting your tree sticks off. That's not chill.
Circumcised tree.
Oh.
Or
Why do some of the trees have leaves to some of them?
different types of trees.
Or some people are poisoning their trees.
Are you nervous?
Brrr, I'm cold. That's a pretty tree. They didn't cut a stick off. Brrr.
So you like the trees with the big dicks? Oops.
Oopsie
Oops.
poopsie.
Oops, all berries.
Oh, there's a dude over there.
Just turn around.
I see it though.
I want to go hang out on my electrical box.
You got 3 of them over there. That's pretty peak.
Yeah.
Pretty peak.
You mad or what?
You mad? Or nah. Look. We had one of those too.
Every house has. It's for the air conditioner.
Okay, but living in an apartment, I did not realize we don't got all that.
Luxury.
Whoa! I love harassing dogs. Who's this man following you? Who's this man following you?
Ball that, hey, look at that.
Yes.
Full HA. Dome. Do you like the spot?
I like the spot. Jack spot. My bang.